Progress Onboarding, empowering you to take full control of your project setup. Now, you have the flexibility to organize project-specific categories and stages just the way you need them. Not only can you choose new categories and stages, but you can also edit, arrange, and assign custom colors for better visualization. This means tracking progress is now fully tailored to your workflow. This allows you to focus on specific tasks as you can easily delete completed progress, ensuring you always have a clear view of what matters most, and also save it as a template. Capture coverage. Previously tied to predefined zones, now you can check capture coverage without zones too. This means better site coverage, identify areas not covered, and more accurate progress tracking. Optimize your capture efforts and ensure nothing gets overlooked. Weekly capture report. From now on, receive automated weekly reports via mail, summarizing all capture activities. See captures by type, along with who performed them and list of inactive projects. This improves team visibility and keeps everyone aligned and efficient. Enhanced compatibility with DXF Files. Track3D now supports .dxf design file uploads alongside PDFs and DWGs, enhancing compatibility and flexibility. This simplifies workflows while improving compatibility and expanding support for industry-standard file types. Detailed log on report downloads. Now track report downloads. With this new feature, you can monitor who downloaded reports, when they were accessed, and what type of reports were retrieved. This enhances transparency, improves stakeholder accountability, and ensures critical reports reach the right people.